What's this guy's problem?
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Moncton, New Brunswick. This apartment renter shared this video of her superintendent going inside of her apartment without notice. She noticed some gold jewelry missing, so she decided to set up a camera. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, a 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck. Sterling Heights, Michigan. Let's hope she's okay.
No sé qué más.
Después un background check.
No, eso no.
Hay que tocar. ¿Cuántas cosas?
Rockford, Illinois. Check her out. Hey, why you crawling like a dog? This kid is lucky to be alive. Let's pray for his fast recovery. The driver cowardly drove off.
Make sure you hit the like button.
Please, I need no one help me. I need no one help me. My foot, I done got hit my car. Help. Please. Can you please? I need to turn my phone. I need one mommy, please. If you have a plug outside, please, I need to call my mommy. I don't want them to take me. I don't know where I'm going, please. I need my mommy. If you won't help me, I go somewhere else, please. Please. You don't have a plug outside. I don't have to come in. I just want to call my mom.
Another person knocking at the door at 3 a.m. looking for help. Most people are asleep at this time, so this isn't the best time to be looking for help. This farmer had to fight back after a mountain lion got inside of her goat den.
Record this mother.
Hey, put that away, buddy. This FedEx driver had to carry a big old Timo couch up the stairs.
Shit.
He didn't look too happy about it either. More kids playing knock knock, doorbell ditch. More kids playing doorbell ditch. Hey, that's not funny anymore. Houston, Texas. Check these guys out.
Can you hear me? I don't think it's the right house. You know somebody named Saul? Saul? You know somebody named Saul? No, not here? Oh, okay. Chill, bro, chill. Chill. Calm down. Calm down, bro.
Cortland, New York.
Come on.
That was kind of strange.
Come on. Come on. What is that? Come on. Come on.
Can I help you?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How can we help you?
I'm not gonna hurt you. You can open the door.
What?
Promise. Pinky promise.
You better worry about you getting hurt.
I'm here to take care of you more, Loki.
This door-to-door salesman ain't got no game. Get lost! Get lost! Check this guy out. Looks like he wants to get inside and get some of that air conditioning. Oxon Hill, Maryland. A Marine was hanging out by his truck when all of a sudden, some armed assailants tried to mug him, but he used his Marine training to take him down. Let's see what happens. Yeah.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Don't even think about it. You're on camera and I'll call the cops. Leave the bikes alone.
I'm not doing anything. Sorry. Let me.
Meanwhile, in Sterling Heights, she's outside, still looking distressed. Let's hope she finds some help. It's 3:17 in the morning, so I don't know what she's expecting.
Oh my God.
Let's hope she found the help that she was looking for. Meanwhile, in the Philippines, this mother and son survived this 7.8 magnitude earthquake. Let's pray for everybody in the Philippines. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming. Make sure you check out the other new episode that we just dropped. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.